Hi, I'm Dr. John Parker. In our office, we work with chronically ill people to help them find a natural, functional approach to fixing their health problems. One of the things I want to go over with thyroid conditions is I have patients come in all the time that are on thyroid replacement hormones, and yet they still don't feel better. They're still tired, they're still gaining weight, they're still fatigued, they're not sleeping, they're depressed. The list goes on and on, all the way to they're losing their hair. So when we work with people, they have hormonal problems, they have all kinds of different imbalances, and they come in, and I want to go over today, how can it be if you're taking replacement hormones, I'm still having problems with thyroid type symptoms? Well, the first thing I want to go over with you is not only do people not get enough labs run to look at the depth of their problem and why they have the problem, but also your thyroid is controlled by your brain. And I want to go over today, the reason number one, the first thing we look at with people that have thyroid conditions, are you having a brain problem affecting the output of the thyroid? So when we look at it, there's two parts of the brain that control thyroid. The first is the hypothalamus that integrates the information from the feedback of the output of the thyroid, the T4 and T3 levels. It sends signals to the pituitary gland and tells the pituitary gland to send signals to the thyroid to tell it to go to work or cut back. So the first thing is there's a group of neurons in the hypothalamus called the paraventricular nucleus. They're very dependent on dopamine and serotonin levels to function properly. And many people with thyroid problems have dopamine and serotonin problems. When we look, the pituitary gland sends signals to tell the thyroid to go to work from the integration from the paraventricular nucleus. When we look at the big causes of why people can have dopamine and serotonin needs, the number one reason is sugar dysregulation. I don't care if it's too much sugar, not enough sugar, or swinging back and forth. It will affect the ability to make the dopamine and serotonin needs that you need. Other things that cause dopamine and serotonin problems are MTHFR defects. That's a methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase enzyme deficiency. And there's a test that you can run to see if people have that. And many people do. About 70% inability to convert our B vitamins into a usable form. And our B vitamins are the precursors for the amino acids for dopamine and serotonin. So the other thing is if people have an MTHFR defect, they also are very poor detoxifiers. So they're very inflamed and achy. And they have a huge toxic burden, and inflammation has a big effect on our carrier system for T4 and T3. And lastly, when we look at people, they have inflamed guts. I can tell you the majority of people we work with have other problems in their gut, from food sensitivities, infections, leaky gut. We go into all of those. As I do follow-up videos with you, I'm going to go the different reasons people have thyroid conditions that aren't being relieved by just replacement hormone. So as I go through here, there's literally dozens of reasons why you have a thyroid problem and you're not doing as good as you should. We're going to go through those so we can see what we can do to help you. If this is something you're interested in, please follow through, contact our office, and let's see what we can do to help you. I look forward to sending you more videos. Thank you very much.